Hi everyone, this is me, Dawaranjan Tamang from Let's All YouTube channel, and you are watching PHP series. This is my third part on loops, and in this lesson, I am explaining you about for each loop. This for each loop is especially used with an array. So to be more clear, let's do practically how for each loop is used with arrays. Firstly, I'll write its syntax. Its syntax will be for each curly bracket, then dollar array as and dollar value, and curly bracket open, write a statement to execute and just close the curly bracket. Here this is the syntax for each loop. So here first of all, the value of the current array is assigned to dollar value, and the array pointer will move by 1 until it reaches the last array element. That means if we create an array name student and store a value or the name of a student like Ram, Shyam, Shita, as many as you can. So these are the elements of array. Here, firstly, the array name is $student and as a predefined keywords, and $value is created to store the name or the element of the array. So here the value of the current element, that is RAM, will be assigned to the $value, and after that the array pointer will move by 1 until it reaches, that means after assigning a value of RAM, then it will proceed towards Sam, and after that it will go to Sita until and unless the last element of array to be displayed. Now let's create an array name student. $students equals to array, then write the name of the student like Ram, Sham, Sita, as many as you can. You can use Gopal. So here I have created an array name student, and under array I have stored a name of for student. So in order to display this with for each loop, we'll write a for each bracket open, then dollar array means the name of the arrays, that is student, as is a keyword, it's a predefined keyword, and after that let's write any variable name like stud student name. It is the name of the student, so I'll write student name, and after that I'll close the small bracket and I'll open the curly bracket. Now I have to write the statement. Here I have to write the statement. That statement should be execute. So echo dollar student underscore name. Let's use br tag. I'll not echo student or array over here, just I'll echo student name, because firstly the array will be stored in a student, the list of the arrow will be stored in a student, and after that it will assign to the next variable which we have created like dollar student name. So lastly echo dollar student name, and let's close the bracket. Sorry, I have written this under comment section. I'll erase this and I'll paste it this here. I'll save it, and I'd like to replace this page. See, it display Ram, Sham, Sita and Gopal. So in this way we can display the indexed array or the element of index array. Not only the index array, we can also display the value of associative array using for each loop. In order to assign the value of associated array, firstly we need to create a associative array. You know very well how we create the associative array. Let's create a student array, then we'll give a like we'll write the name of the student, we'll give an array operator, and we'll write a value. This a mark scored by Ram is 90. Now Sam 85, Sita 95, and last Gopal 87. Here we have created an array student under student name, and we have stored a value of the student name along with the marks scored by them. So in order to display these things now, so to display the elements of associative array using for each loop, we'll use for each. Then as for the syntax, we use $array, that means array name student. As let's create a variable, that is again student name, use an array operator, then create a value that contains a marks. Let's open the curly bracket. Now use a statement over here, that is the things to be echo dollar student underscore name, use concatenation, has secured, let's use space over here, concatenation, dollar mark, concatenation, and use space concatenation operator, and use a mark string concatenation, and again use a br tag for us to make it more clear. Let's save this and refresh the page. Here it says that Ram has secured 90 marks, Sam has secured 85 marks, Sita has secured 95 marks, and Gopal has secured 87 marks. Here, what the for each loop will do means, the for each loop, firstly, this variable $associative variable store a key of that array, and after that, those value will be assigned to our next variable that we have created, a student name. This value will print under $student underscore name, and this 90 marks, the value will be print under a variable the marks. In this way, we can use a for each loop to print elements of associative array too. Thank you so much for watching. If you have liked my video, please give thumbs up, do share with your friends, and keep watching my video. Thank you so much.